Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make recurring tasks in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and go to the left hand side and click on this more apps option. Okay, just click on it and then click on the first option, the tasks, and you can see here the all list of tasks here showing. Okay, so to create new tasks, simply go to the home tab. In new group, click on the new tasks option and just enter here the all tax details. So I just open my notepad and copy my tax detail. I just copy the subject and paste here and add date 21 September. Just click on this calendar icon and here you can select the date. Again, for due date, just click on this calendar icon and select your date. And in status, you can set the status also. So I just click on this arrow and here I select the in progress. Okay. So in priority, you can set the priority of your task. So I just select here the high, and in complete, I just click on the up arrow to set here the percentage of the complete. Okay. And you can set here the reminder also. Just click on the again calendar icon. You can set here reminder and you can set here reminder time also. I just drag and set the timing. Okay. And if you don't want reminder this, just untick this box. Your reminder is not visible. Okay. If you want to set, just again click on it. Okay. After that, I add here the other task details. So I just copy and paste here. After the added the details, I just going to make this meeting the recurring. Okay. So for make the recurring tasks, go to the tasks tab. Here in the recurrence group, click on the recurrence option. You can see the one dialog box is open, tasks recurrence. Recurrence pattern here showing. When you click on the daily, you can see all daily details you can set here for tasks recurrence daily wise. When you click on the weekly, you can see the all weekly setting here showing Monday, Tuesday. You can just set the day of weekly. Okay. Then monthly, you can set the month, and yearly also you can set this year. So I select this weekly meeting, the team meeting. I'm going to select here weekly. Okay. So recur every 1 week. So set here one. You can edit here to 2 weeks also. Okay. So I select here the day Monday. I just deselect this Sunday. And after that, you can select this option also, regenerate the new tasks 1 week after each task has been completed. Okay. You can select this option and you can select this also. Okay. Range of recurrence start 21 as I selected here in team meeting. 21 September here automatically showing. End time you can select here. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select your end time of your meeting. Okay. After that, end after the 12 occurrence, you can select here the after 12 occurrence. Yeah, no end date also you can select. If you don't want to set here the no end date, you can select this option also. And after that, just click on OK, and that's it. You can see here the one message pop-up, start every 2 weeks on Monday, effective from 22 September 2025 until 8/3/2026. Okay. So this is a way you can easily make your recurring tasks in Outlook. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.